Hi guys, Tashi Delek and welcome back to Panobu channel. I am super excited to share the experience of my very first backpacking trip with 5 of my friends. This adventure truly left us with lifelong memories. The Gold Rocks Wilderness was absolutely stunning in late July with breathtaking views, wildflowers and endless mountain vibes. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe it will inspire you to go out there and explore with your friends.
Hola solengyezo ta jik dosha orikala. Nimani sre ta phosa znyem renda thri.
Now you done? Or? Yeah, I'm done.
Oh ta khoni les de. Pya la ta dukjala. Yeah, good morning guys. Ta kanzo langal jode yu. Shuda kazo jogo da.
Yine 까먹어.
Shidini shudu sumen sanu. Yeah, ta leso. Yeah, thank you. They got breakfast. So they're getting ready.
Ready.
We are safe.
We planned to have breakfast on the way, but after passing through the town of Randall, we did not come across any breakfast spots, so we decided to have breakfast here at the trailhead before heading up.
Alright guys, stuck on the drain, the near trailhead. Meet someone to the shop.
From the Berry Patch trailhead, you will start in a dense forest along the Gold Ridge Line Trail number 95. The trail climbs steadily through mixed conifer forest with some switchbacks and peekaboo views of Gold Rock ridgelines.
Hey guys, taking a rest. Guys, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Yeah, the Gold Ridge Trail number 95. Hardwa.
Regan 강한 있는.
네, 기억해. 네. Bây giờ cái nghe món này nhiều. Beautiful out here.
So this is 95.
Route 95.
Yep. So we are, let's see, we are 2.8 miles away from the next camp.
Okay guys, 2.9 miles from the next campsite. We're gonna hit Jordan Basin. Another short break.
You guys need water?
Shoot.
Mosquito eggs 망고에서 되게.
다 가려는 동안에.
아마도 안 들어 주면은.
Yeah, that this filtration. Yeah, more there. Easy flow.
Not bad.
다들 샤게 동네 두고 들어 봐.
나 살짝도.
어머나 정말. 또 강한도나야 강가 싫다는 거.
Wow. Halfway through, Bill? Are we halfway through?
Yeah, another 2.4 miles to the next lake.
Okay, any guys, you might be camping spot changes to Yeah, that didn't power drain. Didn't power in. Didn't long on
Most. Oh, didn't put
Okay, that's more gaps didn't power this.
Oh, dude. No, Chandani.
चाहे मुझे जंगली कहे कहने ते मुझे कहता रहे हम प्यार के तूफानों में घिरे याहू just लगाना से
Yeah, on the subject lagi. Par gaya je mane ma do YouTube viral. Yep, I'm to it. I don't know what that mountain is, but yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah, that thing also Gonda camping the hard leg chair songs are the dinner trail to Sadinama, the Kang treasure.
스노우 망우도 랑하고로 지나서
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Rock wilderness. Wow, it's massive. 근데 강한데만 들어오면 되지 슬리브를 씌우도. 되는만 대다셔나 사실 사모님 뭐 돼요.
We can cross, get back up on the trail.
그렇지 되는만 careful. 더 탄 거는 탄 베이비 스텝 지냈지. Om Namo Shiva. Piet, das ist Peter der Schiffling. Oh. Let's see what's behind this hill. 다 되는 거죠. 위보는 지금 이 집벌레 샤인바. 그럼 이게 돼서 다 위보는 그거 다 된다. 직 예. 솜 동바. No lake. 사사이니 로드니. See what's in store for us. 다리를 비하지 말라 가리네. What you expecting? Gold Lake. No lake. Yeah, very good idea. That's it. We point la Gold Lake view ta lemba. Really just be. So what are we doing? Ta thấy tí con là view point là lake mẹ chứ. Holy moly, look down. There you go, guys. Gold Lake from the viewpoint. We got here, we deserve this view.
Hawkeye Point is a spectacular alpine summit overlooking Gold Lake in the iconic Gold Rock wilderness of Washington State. Sitting at approximately 7,431 feet, it is the second highest on Gold Rock Ridge and rewards hikers with sweeping views of Gold Lake, Old Snowy Mountain, and distant mountains like Mount Rainier, Mount Adams, and Mount St. Helens. We are now heading down to catch up with our friends who are waiting down. Going the extra mile was truly rewarding. We are now heading towards Goat Lake to camp for the
Here
night.
we are at Goat Lake. Camp for the night.
Hidden in the heart of the North Cascades, Goat Lake is a breathtaking alpine gem surrounded by rugged peaks, lush forest, and crystal clear water. The hike to the lake winds through towering evergreens and roaring waterfalls, rewarding you with panoramic views and peaceful serenity. Whether you are camping, hiking, or just soaking in the beauty, Goat Lake is a perfect escape into Washington's wild backcountry. As the sun begins to rise, cascading a warm glow over the landscape, you would look east towards the majestic Mount Adams. Below the towering peak, a layer of clouds, possibly in the valley or tucked around the base, could create a soft blanket of white, contrasting beauty with the peak of the mountain. The only animal we sighted was marmot around Goat Lake. We expected to encounter mountain goats along the ridge, but they didn't show up.
Okay guys, 당원조 당고대 당고 본다김 대체 당원조 대다 창마 독설로 이제 다 도출주의 for the second day. 본다김 되지.
Alpine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I don't feel anything.
We are now heading back to the Berry Patch Trailhead where the parking lot is located. Our return route will take us along the scenic Lily Basin Trail and then onto Snowgrass Trail, covering a total distance of approximately 4 miles. We're gonna enjoy the views and the peaceful forest as we make our way down. The peak wildflower display in Gold Rocks Wilderness runs roughly from mid-July through the end of August, with late July often delivering the most vibrant meadows. Depending on winter snowpack and spring melt, blooms can begin early or linger into early September.
So we're gonna camp here for the night. Camping for the night. Yeah. Yes, da? Yes. Şimdi de şu giyinle de. Tamam şu de. Freezing. Freezing dedi. Oh. Yahoo! Fireball. Cup noodles ji tumhe chautari. Okay. 좋아. 나 드리드리마 가사디 월업 렉 되어. 월업 렉치 아니 뒤에 렉을 주시게 아니 나로 되레스. 내 말은 I call very best to leave ready. Okay. From here, keep right.
We just wrapped up an amazing backpacking trip in the Gold Rocks wilderness, about 15 miles of moderate to difficult hiking. It was our first time backpacking and we had an absolute blast. The scenery was stunning and the trail was challenging but rewarding, and the whole experience is definitely something we will never forget. Before heading home, we took a little detour and checked out Chamber Lake and Walloop Lake campground, both beautiful spots and worth a visit. If you are in Washington and nearby state and looking for a true wilderness experience, this is a must-do.